When you first log into your PolyLearn course, the currently registered students will be enrolled in the course. They will all have been assigned the student role by default. However, there are circumstances when you will need to add additional students, or change a user's role. When a student adds a course to their schedule, their enrollment is automatically taken care of by the registration data feed within 48 hours. If an instructor wishes to add a grader or teaching assistant to their course, they will need to manually enroll them within PolyLearn. If the person is already enrolled in the course but needs a different or additional role, the instructor will need to address this problem manually as well. Manual enrollment can be accomplished simply by clicking the user's list. Click the user's link within the settings block. Now, click the enrollment methods link. Click the Enroll Users icon in the Edit column next to Manual Enrollments. This will load up a list of all the enrolled users within the course. You will then notice that the instructor is included in this list. In order to enroll a new user into the course, you will need to search for the user's name within the list of not enrolled users. Search for the new student by typing the first and last name, or a Cal Poly username in the search box, and then select the user from the Not Enrolled Users list. Make certain that the correct role is selected from the Assign Role pull-down menu, and then click the Add button. You will now see the new user assigned to the Enrolled Users list. This means, for PolyLearn purposes, you have enrolled the user into your PolyLearn course. However, please note that a student is not considered officially enrolled in your course unless enrollment is completed through the registrar. You can continue to add as many users to your course as you need in this manner. What if you accidentally added the new user as a student, even though you meant to assign them as the role of a grader? You can easily fix this by changing the user's role. First, click the Enrolled Users link at the top in the breadcrumb. Note: the instructor can alter their own role from this screen, so be careful that you don't accidentally remove your own necessary role from the course. If you accidentally assigned the wrong role, click the X next to the role, such as Student, for the user. This will remove that particular role. Then, click the plus sign under the Roles column. This will open up a list of roles that can be added to the user. Select the correct role from the menu. In this case, it would be the grader role, and then the new role will be properly assigned to the user.